everybody, how you doing? It's Justine and I'm here with the Scrappery. I'm doing a new Traveller's Notebook layout in the new, or using, I'm actually not in the kit, gosh, using the new latest kit from them, which is the AMORA kit. How can I put this? I'm going to try and work out. This is a gorgeous kit. The papers are beautiful and really the whole kit is really well coordinated together. However, for me, if you've watched my videos before, you would know that I am a pastel girl. And so for me, this is the papers are really, really bright, which I actually really love. It's just outside my comfort zone, which I also embrace as well, because it's good to do things that are a bit different for you. So yeah, I mean, it was a bit like, oh my gosh, everything's so bright. What am I going to do? But I've actually really enjoyed using the kit because of that reason, because it is a bit different. Of course, the papers are just beautiful. Cocoa Vanilla does such a good job. So yeah, and I've actually quite enjoyed, I like the look of it. It's different for me. So it's good to go outside your comfort zone. For any of you that are the same and don't tend to do that, give it a go for sure. So the other different thing for me in this layout is I usually use my Instax photos, but for Christmas I got a selfie machine and photo printing machine, and so this is the first time I've used it on a big photo, so I've been dying to use it and just hadn't yet. So yeah, so it was really different for me to have the focus being the actual photo so much rather than the layout or the page being the focus and the photo being an accent. I loved this photo of our cat Luna. They've got a whole packet of like words in this gorgeous font in the kit, and I wanted to use it. He is very unique. I could probably spend the whole video telling you all the things that are unique about him, but you're not here for my cat. But I wanted to use that title because he's actually got two different coloured eyes, which is not unusual for a white cat, but it is in the sense that usually one's green and one's yellow, but one's really blue and one's green, and he's not deaf, which is quite common. If they've got different coloured eyes, they're deaf as well. So just slight bit of information there, if you can tell I'm a cat lover. I just wanted to bring out those colours of his eyes with the butterflies, and also you get the gorgeous transparency stickers that they're doing a lot of now, which I love because it gives you that sort of softness that I love, and then you've got the opaqueness of the other stickers. It's a really good look. All I'm doing as per usual is sort of just fiddling and placing and putting things down where I sort of like to see them. They've got some, as usual with Cocoa Vanilla, you get some beautiful flowers, but they've done some beautiful like long clusters in this one as well. So I wanted to sort of show them off, which was perfect at the bottom of that large photo. Then I wanted to bring out the blue of that butterfly in the title there. So I remembered I had a gelato in a similar colour, so I got out my gelatos. I haven't used my gelatos for so long, and I forget how easy and awesome they are because they give a bit of texture as well. And as you can see, you just add a bit of water and it just softens it all down. So I highly recommend using, what you've got, and if you haven't used your gelatos, get them out. Like, they're really good fun. And I'm just doing some close-ups here. It's over again so quickly. So I hope it's giving you something a bit different this time with the brighter colours and the bigger photo. It's a beautiful kit. Have a look at it at the Scrappery. All the details are down below. And I'll see you for the next one from this kit. Okay, take care. Bye.